Are you looking for a painless, reliable way to keep your skin silky smooth without dealing with the hassle of harsh razors or expensive salon appointments? Finding the right grooming tool can completely elevate your self-care routine. Today, I am sharing the absolute best trimmers for women to help you look and feel your best. Let us get started. Product number 1. Risina Bikini Trimmer for Women. If you are seeking a truly gentle and precise grooming tool for sensitive skin, this pink cordless shaver is an absolutely brilliant choice. I am highly impressed by its pain-free design, which utilizes precision ceramic blades and rounded edges to glide effortlessly over the skin, entirely preventing annoying nicks, cuts, or redness. The dual head functionality is incredibly versatile, allowing me to seamlessly switch between the body trimmer and the facial hair remover for complete head-to-toe detailing. I love the IPX7 waterproof rating, giving me the ultimate freedom to confidently use it right in the shower. The rechargeable battery is a massive lifesaver, delivering up to 90 minutes of continuous power after just a quick 2-hour charge. It is an exceptionally thoughtful and practical grooming kit that ensures my bikini line and facial hair remain perfectly maintained, keeping me completely ready for whatever the day brings. Product number 2. OLOV Electric Body Hair Trimmer Black. When it comes to tackling stubborn body hair with absolute confidence, this sleek black electric trimmer consistently exceeds my expectations. I find the soft ceramic blades to be incredibly skin-friendly, performing flawlessly around the groin, armpits, and legs without any uncomfortable pulling or tugging. It comes equipped with 2 easily adjustable trimming guards, granting me total control to achieve the exact hair length I desire. I really appreciate the entirely waterproof construction, making it perfectly safe to use whether I am trimming in front of the mirror or directly under the shower head. The convenient USB recharge dock looks great on the counter and guarantees the device is always fully powered when I need it most. It is an outstanding, heavy-duty hygiene razor that effortlessly removes even the coarsest hairs, leaving my skin feeling neat, clean, and completely refreshed. Product number 3. Akunbem 2-in-1 Women Electric Shaver. For those who want maximum versatility combined with a highly compact design, this pink dual-head shaver is a phenomenal addition to any beauty arsenal. I am completely blown away by the innovative 2-in-1 design that merges a body trimmer and a facial hair remover into a single, efficient tool. The powerful motor pairs perfectly with the hypoallergenic ceramic blade, guaranteeing a fast and entirely painless shaving experience across my arms, legs, and sensitive bikini area. I love that it is IPX7 waterproof, allowing for highly convenient wet or dry use and making post-shave cleanup an absolute breeze. Weighing next to nothing and charging fully in just 1.5 hours, it is the ultimate travel companion for maintaining smooth skin on the go. This electric razor consistently leaves zero residue behind, ensuring a flawless finish every single time. Product number 4. OLOV Electric Body Hair Trimmer White. If you love the reliable performance of the OLOV brand but prefer a cleaner, brighter aesthetic, this elegant white and rose gold variation is exactly what you need. It features the identical advanced ceramic blade technology as the black model, ensuring a smooth, tug-free trim that is incredibly safe for delicate areas like the bikini line. I am amazed at how easily the waterproof body handles wet environments, allowing the shower water to instantly wash away trimmings for a completely mess-free grooming session. The 2 adjustable guards provide fantastic flexibility for detailing different areas of the body precisely. I find the rechargeable battery to be exceptionally long-lasting, saving me from constantly dealing with disposable batteries. This sleek, high-performing shaver effortlessly tackles unwanted hair from the waist down to all over the body, delivering quick and exact results with total confidence. Product number 5. BYART Bikini Trimmer for Women Dual Head. Rounding out my top picks is a highly efficient, fast-charging trimmer that perfectly caters to active, on-the-go lifestyles. I absolutely love the stylish Voyager violet color and the incredibly compact, dual-head design that eliminates the need to clutter my bathroom with multiple separate devices. The hypoallergenic ceramic blades perform beautifully, providing a completely smooth, irritation-free shave that prevents unsightly bumps and razor burn. My favorite feature is the remarkable 5-minute fast charge capability, which delivers just enough power for a complete grooming session when I am rushing to prep for a beach trip or workout. The IPX7 waterproof rating allows for 100% worry-free use under running water, ensuring my routine stays highly hygienic. It is a wonderfully reliable, portable shaver that guarantees I step out feeling flawless, confident, and completely ready for the day. That concludes my comprehensive guide to the top female grooming tools available right now. Check the links provided to grab your favorite trimmer and instantly upgrade your daily routine.